Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the half-inch torque wrench from Stahlwille. This torque wrench is by far my favorite in non-digital version. Let's open it up. It comes with this plastic tube. Unfortunately, this torque wrench does not come with its designated protective carrier box, which is shame. Although I like how Stahlwille sent their ratchet with the instruction manual for repair and tear down information, and this torque wrench is no different. It also includes a certificate with the calibration information and signed by the person who did calibration before shipping it. That's awesome, I would say. Now let's have a look into the wrench itself. What a nice looking wrench. It's pretty heavy. Nice grip on hands. This wrench named as Manoskop. The part number of this ratchet is 730/20 quick. Typical matte chrome rough finish. I prefer rough chrome finish over shiny chrome. Nice beautiful Stahlwille logo is laser etched. Torque capacity is from 40 to 200 Nm or 30 to 145 foot-pounds. Both are printed on the shaft. I would like to have all these letters stamped instead of laser etched. Laser etched fade away with the usage over time. It's got nice two-component comfort grip handle. Green part is harder material and the black part is softer. Nice Stahlwille logo is stamped on the green part. I like the fact Ratchet Head is detachable. You will need appropriate 14 into 18 mm ratchet head. Mind you, this ratchet head is not included in the package. You have to buy separately. You can buy 3/8 ratchet head too, but it should be 14 by 18 mm of attachment size. Installation is pretty simple, and with this green button pressed, you can remove the head out, and it's just simple as this. Ratchet Head has dial style direction switch. 60 gear teeth are not very fine, but it's smooth. Let's try some socket. Socket seated well and nice. Now I tell you guys why I love this torque wrench. Adjusting the torque is way quick and easy. You just need to press this flat lever and move the dial and you are good. This is just simple as this. No need to bring it down to the zero after every use. Means no need to resetting it. Here it's got magnifying glass to read the readings easy. One more time, press the lever and change the torque. The torque wrench is pretty dang reliable. There are different ratchet head options available. You can get quick release version of it. You can use 3/8 ratchet head, but the size ratchet should be 14 by 18. I think Stahlwille don't have flex head option. Would be nice if there was such option. I don't like the idea of not including carrier box. Even cheapest torque wrench come with their own boxes. Other than that, this torque wrench is very special, quick and easy to use. No resetting required after every use. This is low maintenance wrench. You can even calibrate yourself by adjusting the screws here. Very unique and robust construction. The Stahlwille made in Germany. Can't ask more. Okay guys, that's it with the video. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you could